In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you a niche that I found that is starting to trend on Merch by Amazon. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on Merch by Amazon, TeePublic, Redbubble, and Etsy. If you like this kind of content and you get any value from this video, make sure to give it a like. Okay, let's go ahead and get into the content of the video. So the niche that I have for you guys today, or the phrase that is starting to trend, is kids are safer at drag shows than at church. And the reason this is trending is because this whole drag issue is very controversial right now. You know, there's a lot of people that are very passionate on both sides, and that's perfect for us merch sellers. That's what we want, because we can play both sides of it. So this is the phrase right here: kids are safer at drag shows than at church. We're going to see there's only 111 results. If I go to the second page here, we're going to see there's still only 111 results for the same phrase. So at the time of this recording, very low in competition. And if we go back to the first page here, we're going to see that these designs, well, first let's just take a look at the designs. So here are what some of the designs look like. You can see very easy, just text designs, curvy text. Some people are using the messy bun. What else do we have here? Obviously the rainbows. But if we look at these designs, or these two designs right at the top here, we're going to see that these were just uploaded April 14th, so just 2 days ago. And they already are selling with a 607,000 BSR, and this one has an 856,000 BSR at pretty good prices. So we can see that this niche is good because it's low in competition, it's selling. All right, so these are what the designs and the competition looks like. Another reason why this is going to be a good niche for us is because Gay Pride Month is coming up. So LGBT Pride Month is in June, so that's just a month and a half away or so. This niche does very well on Amazon, on all the print-on-demand platforms every year. And if we look at tests to see if this phrase is trademarked, kids are safer at drag shows than at church, and we hit enter, we're going to see nothing pops up. So for the time of this recording, it is not trademarked. And if we go to Etsy and some of the other print-on-demand platforms just to see what the competition looks like, we're going to see also very low. So right here, I have kids are safer at drag shows than at church, only 683 results, but I'm only seeing one right here and 2 right here, or actually no, 3. So again, very little competition for this niche on Etsy. Redbubble, there's only 3 designs, so this could be a good opportunity for us. What I like what these sellers are doing here is that they're using stickers as their thumbnails. I like to do the same thing in my shop. Everybody always use t-shirts as their thumbnails, but the best-selling product on Redbubble, if you've been selling on Redbubble, you already know this, that it's stickers. So I always try to use stickers as the thumbnail just because it sells the best, and also it stands out more. It's easier to read and see what the design is or says when you use a sticker instead of a t-shirt. When it's a t-shirt, it's a little harder to see. So just a little tip right there, to use stickers as the thumbnails when you're uploading onto Redbubble. And if we go to TeePublic, we're going to see that this is also very low in competition, only 2 designs at the time of this recording. If you are looking for graphics, clip art, t-shirt designs, you can go to Creative Fabrica. I just typed in LGBT. We're going to see all the different types of clip art designs that they have. So this one looks pretty good. You can probably get some good ideas here. If you want to sign up for Creative Fabrica, I do have an affiliate link in my description. So you just go to any one of my YouTube videos and you just scroll down right here where it says My Favorite POD Tools. You're going to see Creative Fabrica. This is an affiliate link, so if you do sign up, I do get a small commission. But Creative Fabrica has a lot of value. They're offering a deal right now. It's only 59 bucks or something like that. Breaks down only $4.99 a month. But you get fonts, you get graphics, you get AI, you even get classes. They have just a straight POD section, so you can just download actual designs where you get the license to just upload them straight up to Merch by Amazon and other print-on-demand platforms. So really good value with Creative Fabrica. And then if you are kind of struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon or any of the print-on-demand platforms, I have some courses that you might be interested in. So this is my Merch by Amazon Masterclass. It's a step-by-step beginner's guide for mastering Merch by Amazon. It's only $9.99. You get 16 lessons over an hour of content. I teach you a whole bunch of good stuff in this course, like how to niche down, cross niche, scale your designs, how to, I teach you about trademarks, how to understand trademarks, how to keep your account safe, how to find trendy niches, how to find evergreen niches. Really valuable course with lots of good stuff to learn. This course is good for beginners or for people that are struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon. I also have one for Redbubble. It's basically similar. It's just instead of the Merch by Amazon platform, it's for Redbubble. So step-by-step beginner's guide for mastering merch. I'm sorry, for mastering Redbubble. Only $9.99. This one you get 20 lessons, also over an hour of content. And then my most recent one is the one that I made for Etsy. Etsy is the platform where I make the most amount of money on. First is Etsy, then it's merch, then it's TeePublic, and then it's Redbubble. But this is my one for Etsy right here. So Etsy success, everything you need to know to set up your Etsy shop for success. Same thing, $9.99, 14 lessons. If you're interested in these courses, the links will be in the description. I'll also have them as a pinned comment. If we take a look at my credentials on Merch by Amazon, I'm a tier 8,000 seller. I've done over 11,000 sales. And I just broke $39,000 in royalties. If we go to Redbubble, past 12 months, I've done over $2,000. My best month being last year, June 2022, right at $317. And if we go to Etsy, my all-time sales are $190,000 in revenue. All right, so again, links will be in the description and the pinned comment. These courses are good for beginners or for people struggling to get sales on Merch by Amazon. If you're looking for like more niche ideas, check out my YouTube channel, subscribe. I got this playlist right here with just some trending niche ideas, things like that. If you're struggling or you're just kind of stuck, you don't know what to design for, you can come here and get some good ideas. But that is basically going to be it. I'm going to wrap up this video here. If you like this kind of content, consider subscribing to my channel and click the bell. So thanks so much for watching, and you guys have a good one. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.